sings. Got a broken heart, got a broken dreams. Look inside my heart, love it what it sings. Tears falling from my eyes, what do I expect when I'm opening my heart? I don't know where to start. Share the feelings that I'm feeling, that slay my heart into 1,000 pieces that I cannot gather, and many reasons that we cannot be together. If it was a fairy tale, we'd be forever, but this is real life, that I cannot change the fact that I couldn't be a perfect man that you wanted. But you need to understand that I come from a land of money, drugs and lingerie. You couldn't be my first priority. I'm a young nigga from the hood, I never knew love the way that I should. Give me a 9, no a pump, you will see how I should. Love is my war, the heart breaks fall. Only God can stop this war. I need love, nothing more. Love is the core of relationships. Even if it should, it revolve more. Got a broken heart, got a broken dreams. Look inside my heart, love is what it sings. Got a broken heart, got a broken dreams. Look inside my heart, love it what it sings. Nothing breaks like a heart, 2 pieces fall apart. Apparently when you break it doesn't make a sound, but it's so loud, like an atomic bomb. Boom, now I'm making these songs, tryna cut the edge. Yeah, I'm at the veg, mama fall for anything. High hopes, wedding ring, I'm in between life and third. I stay sober minded so I can make a better choice. I don't put my trust in him or her, I put my trust in Jesus Christ. Girl, your body is a work of art, God designed it with his heart. I like what I see, so I put it hard. I like your walk of a cat and a ponytail on your hair. Even though we couldn't take it from there, but it's okay, cause I'm out here in the crowd chasing my dreams. That started with a special poem dedicated to you. Only you set me free from myself. I've been stuck on the shelf. All my life I had a broken heart. Got a broken heart, got a broken dreams. Look inside my heart, love is what it sings. Got a broken heart, got a broken dreams. Look inside